Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing Jungle Scout and Helium 10 directly to my own sales, showing you one of my listings, showing you exactly how much it's done in sales, and then showing what Jungle Scout and Helium 10 think that it's done. Because really they're just estimations. At the end of the day, can't put too much faith in them. They are estimations, they can be quite accurate, but we're going to find out which one's the most accurate. So, a little backstory here. Been using Jungle Scout for years, love the software. According to them, they are the most accurate at predicting sales. Helium 10, as a software, I use it a lot. I use a lot of their tools. To me, they're more than just a Chrome extension, right? What I find myself using is a lot of their optimization tools, their keyword tools, their listing creation tools. I do like the level of depth. So I'm coming at this strictly from which is better. It doesn't matter to me, okay? I'm just testing and I'm showing you the results. So hopefully you can respect that. Let's try and get this video to 150 likes. Every time I say that at the beginning, it works well. You guys are awesome. I have a lot of great supporters, a lot of great subscribers. Most of the time I'll be watching a video, I just forget to click it, even if it was a great video. There's videos that have impacted my life that I probably haven't even liked. So just saying it, reminding you, thanks a lot. Let's get into the video. So first, let's open up Jungle Scout. Okay, it has loaded. Let's refresh it. Okay, so Jungle Scout thinks it's doing about 7,500 in sales. And again, this product has only been out for a month. So 7,500, not too bad. 168 sales per month. I won't tell you if that's true or not, but that's what it thinks. So the reason that this is such an important video and why you should give it a thumbs up is because now you can carry this knowledge out. When you're looking at products, you may be able to think differently about a market you would have approached, right? Because it could be a killer difference. If something is 30% off and it was making, a bunch of people are making 5K, but really they're making, 3.8 or something like that. And then that dampens the profit to where it wouldn't be worth it, but you didn't know that because you thought, they're all doing 5. That's important to know. So we're going to look at those, and this is what Jungle Scout says. So now let's go open up Helium 10 and see what they have to say. There we go. 6,300 right here. Cool. So yeah, again, I'm not going to say if that's right. Well, let's go see what Amazon says. So the real sales numbers, 6,300 versus 7,500. Let's go check it out. All right, so all I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull up my product specific sales for the last 30 days. If you don't know how to do that on the app, you just click onto a sales day and then click onto your product and it'll show you just one product sales. All right, here it is. Last 30 days for this product. So it's done almost 8,000, 7.9. The actual numbers, both were low, which is good. I'd rather have them be low than high. If there's extra sales that can be collected, great. Helium 10 was really low. Like we're missing $1,500 low. I don't know why that is. Perhaps they don't update as often, but it is 7.9. This says 6.3. Again, I would rather have it be lower and have extra sales actually occurring than it being high. But as far as who is closer, Jungle Scout said 7.5. So that's pretty good. That's they say they're within 10%. That is absolutely within 10%. There's only $300 more. So 10% of 7,500 would have been $750 difference. Yeah, they did a great job. Now let's talk about something for a second. I've been doing this for a couple weeks now, and 2 weeks into the selling the product, when I only had maybe, 2,000 in sales, Jungle Scout still said I was doing, it was like a projection. So it was saying 8, 9 some days, 9,000 in sales, when I had literally only made $1,000 or $3,000 in sales. So that's the importance of adding products to a tracker or looking at them, the market as a whole, throughout about a 2-week period and getting those ideas of the averages for yourself. Now, Helium 10, 2 weeks into launching, had given me my previous 30 days. They said I did about 2.5 and I think I was around 2.8 or something like that. So again, they were a little low, but they were actually matching my previous 30 days. So this is where you get to decide. I have a link for both of these softwares down below. If you don't have one of these softwares, pick one, right? It's up to you. I'm just showing you what I know, and then the decision is yours to make. If you would prefer a software that shows you quite a low estimate, very conservative, but it is matching the last 30 days, I would say get Helium 10. If you want a software that's going to project current sales rank out into the future, and give you an estimation for the next 30 days, keeping in mind this is very accurate. We just saw they were probably within 5%, whereas Helium 10 was maybe about 15% off. Don't quote me on the math here, I'm just going off the top of my head. 20%, something like that. Then go with Jungle Scout, right? So that's really up to you guys, but I thought this would be a really fun video to make. A lot of people talking about which one should you get. I figured I'd show you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. This way, you'll see another video you could watch. Go ahead and watch that if you want to stick around. Also have access to my one-on-one calls and subscribing right there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.